Alright guys, how's it going? James with Striking Media here, and today we are going to be learning some workflow stuff. I just got back from a shoot and I wanted to actually record a video while I'm doing what I actually do. So one thing I wanted to show you is how to name files and folders as soon as you get home. So the last thing that you ever want to do is keep the names that the camera gives your files in storage, because then you can never find them again. For example, here you can see we have A009_02172234_C022. If I wanted to remember that shoot, there would be no way that I could ever find it. I'm using on average like 2 terabytes, maybe now more than 2 terabytes a month. Sometimes I'll have shoots that are 1 terabyte. So 1,000 gigs. So let's go ahead and jump right on into this and see how I do this. All right, so one thing that I'll have them do is at the beginning of the clip,
am I good enough?
Just like that, say what the clip is about. So I can title it, Am I Good Enough? And these are going to be kind of shorts that we're doing. They are objection videos. So basically Q&A. These are answer videos to people's questions. So am I good enough? This is the A cam because we did a 2 cam setup. So I'll do am I good enough A cam, and then I'll do Control A to select all, Control C to copy, right? And then I'll come down here. I'll make sure that it's the same clip.
Am I good enough?
All right, am I good enough? Come down here, Control V to paste, enter. All right, so now we have am I good enough, cam A and cam B. All right, so I want to do it here so you can actually see what my fingers are doing over here, and this is kind of just how I keep my hands set up. So we're going to do double click.
That's what you said, okay. Fear of rejection.
All right, so that one's fear of rejection. So go over here, we'll select it. Fear of rejection, A cam, Control A, Control C, enter. Come down here, double check, make sure.
Fear of rejection.
All right, so fear of rejection, so we know that's the B cam. Control V, enter. Boom, just like that. So this is the best way if you have tons of separate video clips, okay? Now what I'm gonna do is we did a bunch of primers. So let's just assume that this 37 to 43 are all the primer videos. So I'm gonna select the last one, the one that you want to end with, hold down Shift, select the first one, right? Now I'm gonna hit F2, and that's going to highlight this so I can rename it. And then we're going to do primer videos A cam, right? And this is something you only want to do if all of the videos are for the same project. So for example, maybe you're doing a promo, like a fitness promo, right? And all the clips are for that one video project. Then you can do, you know, fitness promo with Gracie Be Fit or whoever your fitness person is. So in this case, I'm doing primer videos A cam because they're all primer videos. And then it's just simple as enter. And then what it does is it goes through and it names all of them in a row for you, 1 through 7. Second way that you can do it, you can do Control A if you want to do the whole folder. In this case, we're not doing the whole folder. And then after you do Control A, obviously F2. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to mess up my organization that I've already done so far. You can do the first one to the last one and hit F2. The problem is it's going to reverse the order. So I always start with the last one, first one, F2. Okay? So guys, I hope this helps you with your file organizing. You can see that I've already done it here with No Money, REL versus Big Box, A cam, A cam, A cam, A cam, A cam, B cam, B cam, B cam, B cam, B cam. Okay, so that is. Oh, I forgot. I messed up, guys. You got to go down here to the second one and make sure you change that to B cam after you do your paste, after you do your copy and paste. B cam. All right, now we are good. So am I good enough? B cam, fear of rejection, B cam. All right, whew, that was close. I almost messed up a whole video. So I hope this is helpful for you guys. And if you have any more questions, definitely let me know in the comments below, because then I can know what you guys are wanting, and then I can just make a video for you guys. Simple as that. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a like. It helps out the channel so other people can see the videos. And if you want to see more of my videos and want to be notified, consider hitting the subscribe and then the notification bell. That'll actually send you a notification. If you guys already knew this, no big deal. Share it with somebody else. If you didn't know, I hope it helped, and I'll see you in the next video.